Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply funny face expressions to your videos in CapCut PC. So you're just going to go to effects here and you're going to go to body effects instead, and you're just going to click it again. Then you're going to go to funny faces and you're going to select from these faces which one you want to add. They have this one, which is called the gorilla face. They have this one, which is the embarrassed face. They also have this one, which just basically zooms in to them to give them like a big head illusion. And they have the big mouth, which is my favorite one personally. I just like it for some reasons, especially if you're laughing in the video. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions regarding this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!